Welcome to our discussion on root cause analysis. This is fundamental to process improvement because it helps you differentiate between problems and causes. So without any further delay, let's move on. In medicine, it's easy to understand the difference between treating the symptoms and curing the condition or the problem. A broken wrist, for example, really hurts, but painkillers will only take away the symptoms. You'll need a different treatment to help your bones heal properly and solve the problem. But what do you do when you have a problem at work? Do you jump straight in and treat the symptoms? Or do you stop to consider whether there's actually a deeper problem or a cause that needs your attention? If you only fix the symptoms, what you see on the surface, the problem will almost certainly return and need fixing over and over again. However, if you look deeper to figure out what's causing the problem, you can fix the underlying systems and processes so that it goes away for good. Root cause analysis, abbreviated as RCA, is a popular and often used technique that helps people answer the question of why the problem occurred in the first place. It seeks to identify the origin of a problem using a specific set of steps with associated tools to find the primary cause of the problem so that you can determine what happened, determine why it happened, and figure out what to do to reduce the likelihood that it will happen again. Root cause analysis assumes that systems and events are interrelated. An action in one area triggers an action in another, and so on. By tracing back these actions, you can discover where the problem started and how it grew into the symptom you're now facing. You usually find three basic types of causes. First is a physical cause. These are tangible material items that failed in some way. For example, a car's brakes stopped working. Human causes occur when people did something wrong or did not do something that was needed. Human causes typically lead to a physical cause. For example, no one filled the brake fluid, which led to the brakes failing. And then we have organizational causes. A system, process, or policy that people use to make decisions or do their work is faulty. For example, no one person was responsible for vehicle maintenance, and everyone assumed someone else had filled the brake fluid. Root cause analysis looks at all three types of causes. It involves investigating the patterns of negative effects, finding hidden flaws in the system, and discovering specific actions that contributed to the problem. This often means that root cause analysis reveals more than one root cause. You can apply root cause analysis to almost any situation. Determining how far to go in your investigation requires good judgment and common sense. Theoretically, you could continue to trace root causes back to the Stone Age, but the effort would serve no useful purpose. Be careful to understand when you found a significant cause that can, in fact, be changed.